Okay. Finally got our little speaker in to fix this radio. We got the power hooked up. Already took the screws out of the radio. Now, if you'll notice, a little bit of corrosion here on this speaker, on these speaker leads. And you say, well, that's not necessarily a sign that it doesn't work. You're right. What is a sign that it doesn't work? It's this voltage meter. I'm going to disconnect the power. We're going to put this on ohms of resistance. Open line. You see that OL on that meter? There's no change on that meter. Here's another way to test it. I've got a set of little headphones here. And if we just go from the ground to the lead, oh, gotta have some power. Where'd my end go? There it is. Hear that? So when I touch that across the leads, that I'm hearing the static that I should be hearing with the squelch all the way down on this CB. So that's a good way to check it. You can also check it, I think, if I got the power on. You can also make sure it's not somewhere before the speaker by testing the current at the speaker. Should be a little bit of current right here. Yeah, 4.6 volts. So we know we're getting power to the speaker. The speaker's just not working. So I got a new speaker. So we're gonna put that in right now. Boy, look at that. Perfect fit. And I will, when I'm done, I'm gonna put just a little hot glue in a couple of spots around this edge to hold that speaker right where it's at. I am gonna get my glasses down on my face. Nice shiny joints there. The way that snapped in there, I'm not even sure I need hot glue. I mean, it just snapped right in there at the spot. I think I'm just gonna leave it like it is. Now if we can get all this to fit back together, you know what? My magnet is taller in this. Sure is, by a long shot. I don't think this speaker's gonna work. Didn't even notice that magnet being that much higher because everything else fits so absolutely perfect. But y'all, we're not going to be able to use that I'm gonna have to take that back out of there. Let's see if I can pry up on the edge. Darn, we were so close to having that finished. All right, here we are back again. I actually have the right speaker this time. It's not too thick. Some light on the subject. I hate having to use this big old soldering gun. The fact of the matter is, my little one's up at the building, so. All right, I think it's that simple. I guess we can test things out right quick. Well, what do you know about that? All right. We have speaker. All right, I'm gonna put this back together.